Round 27, color C. We continue with the same color. Chain 1, that doesn't count as a stitch. Front post single crochet around the same stitch, which is a cluster of 3 treble crochet. This is our first stitch of the round and at the same time the last one, and it is not included in repetitions. And now we begin our first repeat out of 24. Single crochet and chain 1 space. Then we skip next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in next chain 3 space 13 treble crochet. So let's start. The first one, the second one, the third, and the fourth, and the fifth, and the sixth, and the seventh, and the eighth, ninth. Okay, I have 10, 3 more to go. 1, 2, and 3. I have all 13 treble crochet done. Then we skip next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. In next chain 1 space single crochet and front post single crochet around next stitch, which is a cluster of 3 treble crochet. And here we have our first repeat out of 24. Let's make one more repetition and then you will continue all by yourselves. So in next chain 1 space single crochet, then we skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in next chain 3 13 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the last one, 13. Then we skip next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in next chain 1 space single crochet and front post single crochet around next stitch, which is a cluster of 3 treble crochet. And we have 2 repetitions out of 24, and please continue. And finally the end of the round. Our last element was a single crochet in chain 1 space and then slip stitch in first front post single crochet of the round. You can fasten off and secure the ends. Next round we'll make of another color. Round 28, color A. We join new yarn with back post single crochet And now let's find where. We can select any shell, and we need to count the 7th treble crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the 7th treble crochet, and we make standing back post single crochet around it. Here it is, our standing stitch of the round, and at the same time the last one, and it is not included in repetitions. And now we begin our first repeat out of 24. Back post single crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we are. Chain 2. We skip next 3 stitches, single crochet, front post single crochet and 1 more single crochet, and back post single crochet around next 7 stitches. All of them are treble crochet. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And actually, here it is, our first repeat out of 24 is done. Let's make one more together, and then you will continue all by yourselves. So, back post single crochet around next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Actually, as you can see, when our 2 repetitions joined, we have back post single crochet around all 13 treble crochet of previous round of the shell. Then chain 2. We skip next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then back post single crochet around next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and here I have 2 repetitions out of 24 made. Please continue to the end of the round and I will meet you there. Okay, and finally the end of the round. Our last elements were 6 back post single crochet and then slip stitch in standing back post single crochet. Please do not fasten off. Next round will continue with the same color. Round 29, color A. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. This is our first stitch of the round and at the same time the last one, and it is not included in repetitions. And now we begin our first repeat out of 24. Single crochet in next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Half double crochet in the next one. Double crochet in next stitch. And treble crochet in the next one. Then we skip next stitch, which is the last back post single crochet, and in next chain 2 space treble crochet. Done. Then we skip next stitch, which is the first back post single crochet of the next shell, and in the next one treble crochet. Then in next stitch double crochet and half double crochet in the next one, and then in next 3 stitches single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. And this is our first repeat out of 24. Done. Let's make one more together, and then you will continue to the end of the round all by yourselves. So, single crochet in next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. And as you can see, when our 2 repetitions joined, we have a group of 5 single crochet here on the top of the shell. And let's continue. Half double crochet in next stitch and double crochet in the next one. Treble crochet in next stitch. Then we skip the next one, and in the following chain 2 space treble crochet. Then we skip next stitch and treble crochet in the following one. Okay, then in next stitch double crochet, and now half double crochet in the next one. And now in next 3 stitches single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. And here we are, 2 repeats out of 24. If you would like to double check all the stitches, please refer to the written pattern. The link you will find in description to this video. Please continue, and I will meet you at the end of the round. And finally the end of the round. Our last 2 elements were single crochet and then slip stitch in first single crochet of the round. Please do not fasten off. Next round will continue with the same color. Round 30, color A. Chain 2, that doesn't count as a stitch, double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we start our first repeat out of 24. In next stitch 2 double crochet. 1 and the second one in the same stitch. Double crochet in next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 11. Here we are. And our first repeat out of 24 is done. Let's make one more repetition and then you will finish this round all by yourselves. So in next stitch, 2 double crochet. So the first one and the second one in the same stitch. And actually, let's take a look. You will note that we are making an increase to a double crochet in treble crochet in every repeat that was made in chain 2 space. Here is the first one and here is the second one, and the same will happen in every repetition of this round. So we made 2 double crochet in treble crochet that was made in chain 2 space, and now double crochet in next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 2 repetitions are done. Please continue to the end of the round and I will meet you there. And finally the end of the round. After we made the last increase where we had 2 double crochet in the same stitch, our last elements were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet and then slip stitch in standing double crochet of the round. And round 30 is finished. And actually the mandala of the shape of the circle is done. If you would like to stop your work right here, you have a finished piece. But if you would like to continue and to have your mandala in the shape of the square, we will continue our work in the next part of the video tutorial. Easy stitches to everyone and see you soon.